New day and new beach adventure with Chris. This is Källtorpssjön and I am right now on the south part of the lake, which I call this Södra nudist beach, that is, as it is also marked like that in the Scandinavian Turistportalen. It is 10th of September, 11 a.m. and the sun is up and I am ready to go in for a swim in the lake. I was here around 15 days ago and back then it was 14 degrees Celsius in the air and 17 in the lake. So I'm really curious how it's going to be today here on this beautiful nudist beach spot in the Nacka Nature Reserve. Yes, 10 kilometers ride with my Scott gravel bike and I am here in this beautiful nature. What else? Beach day number 109 today it is. And if you're wondering where am I? Here I am. I just love when to start off the day early, especially when the forecast says that it's going to be clouds later in the day. So let's go and have a nice swim in the lake as I show you more of this nudist beach spot Källtorpssjön that I have shown you several times before on my channel. And even further in we can see how it is, as I usually go in here, but now it's a bit of shadow because of the sun is too low. So let's explore more further in. The water looks amazing indeed, and here you can find beautiful nature all around and find your own inner peace. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Yes, it looks amazing. And here you can see also the rocks inside. It's beautiful, I love it. So yes, Källtorpssjön and the beautiful nature here. Beautiful nudist beach spot in the nature, and it's time to take a swim in the lake Källtorp, as it has been a while since I was here actually. So it's going to be nice. Oh, I forgot my thermometer. Oh shoot. But I will measure the temperature and show you later for sure, as my backpack is around. But I can actually sense it also based on my oh, it's not that cold actually. It should be somewhere around 19 degrees. Yeah, definitely. I will measure it and you can check the temperature in the description of this video. Or maybe show it at the end of the swim. So yeah, with that said, and with this wonderful nudist beach spot here Källtorpssjön, it's time for me to go into the waters and go in for a swim. Oh yeah, the water is warm for sure. The water is warm for sure. Look at that, look at this beautiful nudist beach spot. It's amazing. So yeah, I think today is going to be my last day with my bicycle, as from tomorrow I will be having a monthly card and we'll be roaming around Stockholm region for a month for 30 days, as I have other stuff I need to do also as well. So yeah, with this wonderful view of Källtorpssjön, it's time to wrap up this beach adventure for now, but don't worry, as more beach adventure will be coming soon, and hopefully the weather in September will be as good as it is today. 20 degrees Celsius in the air and probably around the same in the lake currently. I just love it. Just look at the greenery and the mixture of the lake. Beautiful. Cool, thank you so much for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.